Hello guys, Paul Okoro here. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to create a rotating globe in your After Effects without using any third-party plugins. So this is what we'll be creating today. Alright, so let's get started. First, let's open our After Effects. Open a new project. Open a new composition. And let's call it maybe our globe comp. Globe main comp. Right, let's click OK. All right, so we have opened our globe comp. So next thing we'll do now is to import a globe or a map image I downloaded online. You can do that by clicking inside here. Let's check on the picture. Where is it? This thing you have to open. Okay, I think I have one here. I can use this, or there's another one. Okay, there's another one. Hold down my control key and let's import this. All right, this is just one of the simplest things to create. All right, okay, let's use this one because this one looks more. I'll bring it this. Okay, first before I go, let me create a new solid layer. Hold down your control and press your Y. Control Y. Let's change the background to something. Okay, since we have something, okay, let's focus something around this. Okay, all right. So we can log this, make comp size, and okay. All right, so let's bring in let's bring it in. All right, so next thing I'll do is I want this thing to fit into the I want it to fit into the screen. How I can do that is either I hold down my control and alt and press F to fit in, or I can just use my scale and scale it in. Let's go. Let's use scale. Let's scale it into the screen. All right. So the next thing I will do now is to add an effect called CC Sphere. Let's click on the globe and go to your effect and presets. Add type CC Sphere. Let's add it to our globe. You see, boom, we already have a globe. So you can reduce it. If you come to your rotation, let's increase the light. You can adjust the light intensity depending on how you want it, where you want it to be. You can adjust, you can rotate light intensity. Let's reduce the intensity here. You can even change the color, the height, how you want it. So I can increase the height. You can even change the color, see it. So maybe we can have something like this. Okay, so the radius, you can increase it here. Another thing you can do is to see the rotation. Are you seeing it? If you want it to rotate out, but since it's a globe rotates this way. You seeing it? I'm seeing it. So the next thing we'll do now is to add animation to this. So we come to, in our rotation, you see your X, Y, and Z. But what we are going to rotate is the Y axis. So we want this thing from 0. So let's toggle our animation button from 0 to 5 seconds. Let this thing rotate. Let it just rotate once. Let's see how it goes. All right. So let's see. I'm seeing it. Seeing it. Okay. All right. Another thing we can do, maybe we can just depending on, we can just say, okay, I want this thing to moving from down to up, you know. I think we can achieve that using this. Want this thing to scale. I think, where is that size? Okay. Let's open this radius. That is the size. So we want this thing to come in from here. So let's toggle this. So add this. So at zero's frame, we want this thing to move from here. So to come in like this. Boo. I seen it. So you can actually change this background color, this solid text. Maybe let's just add ramp to it, ramp gradient. You know, just do something depending on what you want to achieve anyway. So it doesn't necessarily have to be mine. All right, so this is what we have. This is just how you can create a simple globe, rotating globe, using your After Effects. Okay. So this is our final project. Okay, so that is it for today. That is how you can create a rotating globe in After Effects. You can see without using any third-party plugins. So please do well to like, share, and send us your comments on what you think about our tutorials. Probably there's anything you want us to talk about, and we'll be glad to talk about it. And also try to turn on your notification button so that whenever we have a new tutorial, you'll be able to see it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.